This is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and we are trying to deal with an issue in which, for example, you have Excel and you're using a file often and you want to have a shortcut on the desktop. If you click on the triple dot, you can see a add to home screen link, and if you do that and go to home screen, you notice that the link didn't come. So how do you overcome this? You go to the app info of the Excel and you go to other permissions, and then you look for the home screen shortcuts. It's by default turned off. You can either change it to notify or always allow, and now that you have that, you can retry the same activity, which is you launch your Excel, go to the triple dot, say add to home screen, and let's see what happened. Yeah, you got a shortcut done. That's how you do it in Redmi.